Humanity has always looked to the stars with wonder and ambition. The vast expanse of space beckons us to explore its mysteries and unlock its secrets. Nations around the world have embarked on ambitious space programs, pushing the boundaries of technology and human ingenuity. China and India stand out as rising powers in space exploration. Both countries boast impressive achievements, having developed sophisticated launch vehicles, satellites, and lunar probes. Could these two Asian giants achieve greater heights by joining forces in space? The potential for China-India space collaboration is immense. However, geopolitical realities and national interests often complicate the equation. This essay will delve into the current and future potential of China-India space cooperation. We will explore the historical context of their respective space programs, highlight recent advancements, and examine the geopolitical factors influencing their relationship in space. Furthermore, we will analyze existing collaborative projects and discuss the potential benefits of joint ventures in areas such as scientific research, technology sharing, and space exploration. Finally, we will speculate on how increased collaboration between China and India could shape the future of space exploration, not only for these two nations, but for all of humanity. China and India, two of the world's most populous nations, have charted remarkably similar trajectories in their pursuit of spacefaring capabilities. Both embarked on their space journeys in the 1960s, driven by a desire for scientific advancement, technological self-reliance, and national prestige. India established the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, in 1969, while China followed suit with the creation of its own space agency, now known as the China National Space Administration, or CNSA, in 1993. From the outset, both nations focused on developing indigenous technologies and expertise. India, operating under limited budgets, adopted a frugal approach, prioritizing cost-effective solutions and leveraging its strengths in software engineering and information technology. This strategy has yielded impressive results, with ISRO gaining international recognition for its ability to achieve significant milestones at a fraction of the cost of other space agencies. China, on the other hand, benefited from substantial government investment and a more centralized approach to planning and execution. This has enabled CNSA to rapidly advance its capabilities, developing a comprehensive space program encompassing human spaceflight, lunar exploration, and the development of a space station. Despite their different approaches, both countries have made remarkable strides in a relatively short period. They have successfully launched numerous satellites for communication, navigation, remote sensing, and scientific research, contributing significantly to their national development and security. These achievements are a testament to the dedication, ingenuity, and hard work of their scientists, engineers, and technicians. China and India have set their sights on the moon with Chandrayaan and Changi programs, capturing global attention. Chandrayaan-1 confirmed water on the moon in 2008. Chang'e-3 landed on the moon in 2013. Chang'e-4 landed on the moon's far side in 2019. Chang'e-5 returned lunar samples in 2020. Section 4. The Geopolitical Landscape, Collaboration, and Competition. While both China and India share common aspirations in space, their relationship remains complex, marked by a mix of cooperation and competition. Geopolitical tensions, stemming from historical disputes and strategic rivalry, cast a long shadow over their interactions, often hindering the potential for deeper collaboration. Both countries are acutely aware of the strategic implications of space technology, particularly in the realms of intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and military applications. This awareness fuels a sense of competition, with each nation striving to maintain its edge in this critical domain. Furthermore, the involvement of other spacefaring nations, particularly the United States, adds another layer of complexity. The U.S., wary of China's growing influence in space, has implemented policies restricting collaboration with China, creating a challenging environment for multilateral cooperation. Despite these challenges, there are glimmerings of hope for greater cooperation. Both China and India recognize the potential benefits of working together in space, particularly in areas of mutual interest such as space science, disaster management, and climate change monitoring. The shared challenges posed by space debris mitigation, asteroid defense, and the long-term sustainability of space activities also provide a compelling rationale for cooperation. As both nations continue to advance their space capabilities, the need for dialogue, coordination, and collaboration will only become more pressing. Section 5. Bridges in Space Existing Cooperative Ventures. Despite the geopolitical complexities, there are encouraging examples of China and India finding common ground in space. Both nations are members of the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space, a platform for international dialogue and cooperation on space-related matters. They have also participated in multilateral initiatives such as the International Charter on Space and Major Disasters, which facilitates the sharing of space-based data for disaster response and humanitarian relief efforts. In recent years, there have been tentative steps towards more direct collaboration. One notable example is the Spectroscopic Investigation of Nebulae Gas Project, a joint venture between Indian and Chinese scientists hosted on China's Tiangong space station. This project, which involves studying the properties of interstellar gas clouds, demonstrates that scientific collaboration can transcend political differences. While such instances of cooperation remain limited, they offer a glimmer of hope for the future. As both nations continue to mature as spacefaring powers, the potential benefits of collaboration, coupled with the shared challenges of space exploration, may pave the way for more substantial partnerships in the years to come. Section 6. The Promise of Partnership, Unlocking Future Potential. The prospect of China and India joining forces in space holds immense promise, not only for these two nations but for the future of space exploration as a whole. By pooling their resources, expertise, and ambitions, they could achieve breakthroughs that would have been impossible alone. One area of immense potential is joint scientific missions. Imagine a collaborative mission to Mars, with China's expertise in robotic exploration and India's prowess in low-cost mission design combining to create a truly groundbreaking endeavor. Such a mission would not only advance our understanding of the Red Planet, but also serve as a powerful symbol of international cooperation. Collaboration in space technology development also holds significant promise. China's strengths in heavy-lift launch vehicles and India's expertise in miniaturization and low-cost satellite technologies could complement each other perfectly. By sharing knowledge and resources, they could develop innovative space systems, reduce costs, and accelerate the pace of technological advancement. Furthermore, increased cooperation in space could have positive spillover effects on their bilateral relationship. Working together on challenging and inspiring projects like space exploration could foster trust, understanding, and a shared sense of purpose, helping to bridge the geopolitical divide. The success of such collaborations could serve as a model for other nations, demonstrating that cooperation, even amidst competition, is essential for unlocking the full potential of space exploration. Section 7. Conclusion. A Shared Destiny Among the Stars. As we venture further into the cosmos, the need for international cooperation in space will only grow more critical. The challenges we face, from climate change to resource depletion to the search for life beyond Earth, are global in nature and demand collaborative solutions. China and India, with their burgeoning space programs and shared aspirations, have a unique opportunity to lead the way in this new era of space exploration. By embracing collaboration, they can not only achieve remarkable feats in space, but also inspire future generations and demonstrate the power of human ingenuity when united by a common goal. The stars beckon, and the future of space exploration hinges on our ability to work together, transcending national boundaries and embracing the vast possibilities that lie ahead. China and India, with their rich history of scientific and technological innovation, have the potential to shape this future, not as rivals, but as partners in a shared destiny among the stars.